What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting PowerPoint slides to advance automatically after a specified time. This feature is useful for creating seamless presentations without manual input. We'll cover how to set the timing for transitions, troubleshoot common issues, and apply same settings across your entire presentation. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. While we are in the PowerPoint presentation, select the slide you want to set for automatic transition in the toolbar, which is the Transition tab located at the top of the screen. After you find the Transition tab, go to the Transition tab in the toolbar. While we are in the Transition tab, locate the Timing group within the tab, which is located at the top right of the screen. After you locate the Timing group, uncheck the On-Mouse Click option to ensure slides transition automatically. After unchecking the On-Mouse Click, check the After option and specify the time in seconds before the slide advances. It's up to you on how you set your seconds of the slide. For example, if you want the slide to transition after 5 seconds, enter 5. After setting in the timing for one slide, go back to the Transition tab, click on the Apply to All button in the Timing group. This will copy the transition settings to all slides in your presentation. Setting your PowerPoint slides to advance automatically can enhance your presentations by providing a smooth flow of information. Remember to check your transition settings and apply them consistently across all slides for the best results. If you encounter issues, revisit the troubleshooting steps to ensure everything is functioning as intended.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.